Fighter jets and helicopter gunships over the skies of Kachin state in northern Myanmar.
Wow.
The government's military targeting ethnic rebel positions, saying it has captured a hilltop the Kachin Independence Army was using to mount attacks on government supply convoys. The rebels have been fighting for a year and a half. Each side blames the other for a violent flare-up that began last week. And that increase has raised concern within the international community, calling for an end to the violence. United Nations Secretary General Ban Ki-moon has urged the Myanmar government to stop those raids on rebel forces because it puts civilians in harm's way. The U.S. State Department is concerned that government forces are using air power, but both sides need to work toward an end to the conflict. The fighting has displaced about 100,000 people.
Right now, the Kachin area is around like a -2 or -4. The upper Kachin state should be freezing right now. That's also refugees facing, and also that's they worry about the Burmese government will attack to the refugee camp as well.
The Kachin want greater freedom from the central government. It's the only ethnic rebel group in Myanmar that does not have a ceasefire agreement with the reformist government of Thein Sein.
Certainly, it's not believable that Thein Sein is incapable of ordering a ceasefire. I think it's just not convincing. Suu Kyi's disregard and silence is puzzling as well, and it's deeply disappointing and unacceptable, I think.
That neither Sein nor the opposition leader, Aung San Suu Kyi, have been able to get talks started, raise questions just how much control the government has over the military. Scott Heidler, Al Jazeera, Bangkok.